Today, we're bringing the flavors of your favorite Chinese takeout dishes straight to your kitchen, showing you how to master popular recipes that you can enjoy in the comfort of your own home. From savory stir-fries to comforting noodle dishes, let's explore these classic Chinese recipes and learn how to recreate them with ease. Number 1. General Tso's chicken. Start by marinating bite-sized chicken pieces in a mixture of soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, and a touch of sesame oil. Let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes to infuse it with flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk together cornstarch and water to create a slurry. Dip the marinated chicken pieces in the slurry, then coat them in cornstarch until evenly coated. Heat vegetable oil in a wok or skillet over medium-high heat and fry the chicken pieces in batches until crispy and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil and drain on paper towels. In another skillet, heat a mixture of soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, garlic, ginger, and dried red chilies until simmering. Add the fried chicken pieces to the sauce and toss to coat evenly. Garnish the General Tso's chicken with sliced green onions and sesame seeds, then serve it hot with steamed rice or noodles for a deliciously satisfying meal. Number 2. Beef and broccoli. Start by slicing flank steak thinly against the grain and marinating it in a mixture of soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, ginger, and a pinch of sugar. Let the beef marinate for about 30 minutes to tenderize and flavor it. In a wok or large skillet, heat vegetable oil over high heat and stir-fry the marinated beef until browned and cooked through. Remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add broccoli florets and stir-fry until crisp tender. Return the cooked beef to the skillet and add a mixture of soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, ginger, and a splash of water. Stir-fry the beef and broccoli until the sauce thickens and coats the ingredients evenly. Serve the beef and broccoli hot over steamed rice for a classic Chinese takeout experience. Number 3. Shrimp fried rice. Start by cooking long-grain rice according to package instructions and letting it cool completely. Cooked day-old rice works best for fried rice. In a wok or large skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat and stir-fry chopped onions, garlic, and carrots until softened. Add cooked shrimp and stir-fry until pink and cooked through. Push the vegetables and shrimp to one side of the skillet and add beaten eggs to the empty side. Scramble the eggs until cooked, then mix them with the vegetables and shrimp. Add the cooked rice to the skillet along with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Stir-fry the rice until heated through and evenly coated in the sauce. Garnish the shrimp fried rice with sliced green onions and serve it hot as a flavorful and satisfying meal on its own or as a side dish. With these simple recipes, you can enjoy the flavors of your favorite Chinese takeout dishes in the comfort of your own home. So gather your ingredients, fire up your wok, and let's get cooking.